Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to be working in my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy 365 notebook in a Moterm B6 cover. So this is the previous week, and I'm just going back and checking something. I needed to make a note, and then we're moving on for the setup for this week. This is the week of the 17th through the 23rd of April. The 22nd is Earth Day. So I decided to use this image that I had found on Etsy some time ago. I went ahead and purchased it, and I just printed it on regular copy paper, but I used the best quality print setting on my printer, and so I'm fussy cutting that out to use on the page. I did reduce the size and remove some text that was on it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to place it on a page by itself or in the center of the two pages. But while I'm considering that, I'm going to add some boxes for the days of the week. Then I'm going to use a technique inspired by Kell of a Plan. And this turns two boxes into somewhat of a journaling spot. So I'm attaching two stickers together, then attaching a portion of both of those stickers to the page. So now I have a large sticker that can flip back and forth. And I'm playing around with the positioning of my Earth Day girl. So I'm using these box stickers for the days of the week. Thankfully, there's not much going on for this week, so I don't need a lot of space and I get to have a little fun and play around with a custom layout. And I'm using the printable sticker basic boxes that are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. I'm going to use the numbers from the Happy Planner or Happy Memories sticker book. So with the sidebar boxes, I'm putting 2 days per box. It seemed a little plain to me and I wanted to add something else. I wanted to stick with something more earthy with blues and greens, but I don't think I have any of that left in my Kell Bland sticker books. But I was able to find something that I felt would work in spring florals from Kell Plan. I'm adding floral stickers from Kell Plan to give the layout more of an earthy feeling, nature feelings. And even though these are not the colors that I would prefer, I think I can make this work. The florals give the page a nice border, they add a pop of color, and it helps tie the pages together. I'm adding a few smaller floral accents to the boxes. And I'm hoping the florals give it a garden, more of a garden nature feel. I'm going to be using Day of the Week stickers from Piper Paper Company. And I'm going to add stickers for some of the tasks that I have during the week. These are also from Piper Paper Company. And from that same Happy Planner sticker book, I am using the Earth Day sticker. And this is another Me and My Big Ideas / Happy Planner book that has some tiny florals in it that I'm going to sprinkle around the page. I need to finish using these sticker books. So I'm trying to use a few of the stickers from them on most of the spreads that I do. It also has some tiny little butterflies that I thought would go well with the look and theme of the page. And now I'm looking through the journaling sticker books from the Happy Planner to see if I can find some arrows because I want something to point from the 22nd to the Earth Day sticker. I put the Earth Day sticker on the page with the Earth Day doll or girl because it seemed like it needed something in that space. And since I'm using full boxes for my days of the week, the space is limited in the box, so I didn't really want to put it in the box. So I thought it would be cool to use arrows to point towards the Earth Day sticker coming from the 22nd. And the arrows really have nothing to do with the overall theme. I just thought it would be a cool way to show that Earth Day was on that particular date. So here I'm finally using my glue stick to go ahead and glue down the doll. And she is big. I could have made her a lot smaller, but I wanted her to really be a focus. I really think this is a cute graphic, so I wanted it to be the focus for this week. And here I decided that I needed to do something more as far as the arrows pointing to the Earth Day. So I'm going to have a few arrows coming from the other direction also pointing at it. Then I also remembered that I had this butterfly book, I think it's Papillion book from the Happy Planner. And so I'm just looking through to see if I can use any of the butterflies that are in it. So that's a few more butterflies, and I think we are done. Let me know in the comments below if I captured the spirit of Earth Day somewhat in this spread. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.